In this video, we want to find the solution to the occurrence relation a sub n is equal to 4 times a sub n minus 1 plus 12 times a sub n minus 2, with the initial condition that a sub 0 is 3 and a sub 1 is 17. So let's move everything to the left here by subtracting by 4 a sub n minus 1 and 12 a sub n minus 2. And then we're going to let a sub n equal x squared, a sub n minus 1 equal x, and then a sub n minus 2 equal 1. So this equation turns into x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. So this is known as our characteristic equation or our auxiliary equation. Now we can factor this out and solve for x to get 6 and negative 2. We know that the general solution to this is going to be of the form a sub n is equal to c1 times x1 to the nth plus c2 times x2 to the nth power. C1 and C2 are constants. X1 and X2 are the roots to the characteristic equation, which in our case was 6 and negative 2. Now, in order to solve for C1 and C2, we have to take advantage of these initial condition that A0 is 3 and A1 is 17. So we're going to let n equal 0. A0 we said is 3, so that turns into 3 is equal to C1 plus C2. And then for n equals 1, we have a1 is 17, and that's equal to 6c1 minus 2c2. We have two equations, two unknowns. Solve for c1 and c2. c1 is 23 over 8. c2 is 1 over 8. Now plug it back into the original, or plug it into this equation up here. And then notice that you have a factor of 1/8, so we can factor out a 1/8. And we're left with 23 times 6 to the nth plus negative 2 raised to the nth power. And that is our final answer.